Think about the last time you bought something. Maybe a coffee, groceries, or a bus ticket. You gave money and you received something in return. This feels completely normal to us. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself what money actually is? Today, we're talking about what money really is and why it exists. If this kind of simple financial explanation helps you, consider subscribing. It really supports the channel. So, what is money? Money is simply a tool we use to trade things. It helps us exchange goods and services without needing to swap items directly. Before money existed, people used something called barter. That means you traded one thing for another. For example, you might give someone bread in exchange for shoes. The problem was that both people had to want exactly what the other person offered at the same time. If the shoemaker didn't want your bread, you wouldn't get the shoes. That was difficult. Money solved this problem. Instead of trading bread for shoes, you sell your bread for money, then you use that money to buy shoes from someone else. Money acts as a middle step that makes trading easier for everyone. So, money is not valuable because of the paper or metal itself. Money is valuable because everyone agrees to accept it. That agreement is the key. A banknote is just paper. A coin is just metal. But because we all trust that others will accept it for their goods and services, money works. It's a system built on shared belief. Now, money has three main purposes. First, it's a medium of exchange, which is just a fancy way of saying it is the tool we use to buy and sell things. Second, it's a unit of account. This means we use it to measure the value of different things. A coffee might cost $3 and a car might cost $30,000. Money gives us a common ruler for value. Third, it's a store of value. You can save money today and spend it tomorrow, and it should still hold its worth. You might be thinking, what about the money in my bank account? I don't see it. That's the difference between cash and digital money. Cash is the physical stuff, the bills and coins you can hold. Digital money is just a number on a screen in your bank app or on a website. It represents the same value as cash, but it's stored electronically. When you tap your card to pay, you're just telling your bank to move some of your digital money to the store's bank. Both cash and digital money are part of the same system of shared agreement. This leads us to an important idea called purchasing power. Purchasing power is simply how much stuff you can buy with a certain amount of money. If you have $10, your purchasing power is whatever $10 can get you, maybe 2 coffees or a movie ticket. The amount of money you have doesn't change, but what you can buy with it can. And that's where inflation comes in. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and as a result, the purchasing power of money is falling. Let's make that simple. If a coffee costs $3 this year, but inflation causes it to cost $4 next year, your money can buy less. Your $3 can no longer buy a coffee. That's inflation reducing your money's purchasing power over time. So why does understanding all of this matter? Because money is a huge part of our lives. Understanding what it is, how it works, and how its value can change helps you make better decisions. It helps you understand why saving is important, what inflation does to your savings, and how to manage your finances more effectively. It's the first step toward building a more secure financial future. We hope this simple explanation was helpful. If you learned something today, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more easy to understand financial topics. Thanks for watching.